Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids. Today we are going to learn the 12 months of the year. Each month is special and has something different. Let's learn them together.
January. January. Yay! January is a cold month and the new year begins. February. February. Yay! February is the shortest month of the year. March. March. Yay! March is the start of spring. April. April. Yay! April has lots of rain. May. May. Yay! In May, flowers bloom. June. June. Yay! June is the beginning of summer. July. July. Yay! July is a very hot month. August. August. Yay! August is full of school holidays. September. September. Yay! September is the start of autumn. October. October. Yay! October is the month of pumpkins. November. November. Yay! November is cool and windy. December. December. Yay! December is winter and holiday time.
Come on, kids. Let's repeat the 12 months of the year together. January,
January.
February,
February.
March,
March.
April,
April.
May,
May.
June,
June.
July,
July.
August,
August.
September,
September.
October,
October.
November,
November.
December.
December.
Great job! Today we learned all the months of the year. See you next time.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.